next performer. It's Shell ma'am, and Shell ma'am has been, I guess she attended two workshops with us, right, ma'am? I guess, or one open mic, I guess.
Yeah, one open mic.
She has awestruck all of us with her writings and with her observance power. It's really good. So I'm really excited to hear what you have to say, ma'am. And you look lovely today.
Oh, thank you, thank you. As you grow older, these are statements you'd love to hear. So, and Aryan is anyway personified by positivity. So, thank you.
I'm so happy. What is it that we have from you, ma'am? Like, I'm so excited.
Yeah, before I start my work, Akhilesh, आपका तो as usual very impressive. छोटा छोटा होता है, लेकिन इन उस वो it's filled with emotion. So thank you very much. It was very lovely hearing it. समा पूरा बदल गया यहाँ.
Thank you
And
so much, ma'am.
Navya, I wasn't able to hear everything, but whatever little I could hear, I liked. So please go on, and you don't have to be in love to write love poetry. Let the world go to whatever they think. You don't have to be in love to write love poetry. You just have to feel the emotion and the sensation of love, and it will pour through. So keep writing, please. Okay, coming to me. I'm going to recite a few, maybe three poems, if it is bearable to everybody. So this one is called Time Leaning. So this was actually when we were shifting home, and जब हम लोग घर छोड़ के जाते हैं, तो finally जब सब कुछ पैक हो जाता है, ट्रक में लोड हो जाता है, you go to each room and you tend to see certain things which are left behind, which you don't take, और कुछ जैसे paper या कुछ भी रह जाता है. So this was my last impressions of when I was leaving the home. All that I see is a room abandoned, with memories that hurt and heal. His old overused cell phone cover, like a snake having shed its skin behind to mingle with dust. His old overused cell phone cover, like a snake having shed its skin behind to mingle with dust. His slim toothbrush, his slim toothbrush still leaning towards mine as I reach out for a toothpaste, bent. As I reach out for a toothpaste, bent, shared with energy, need, and desire, a shooting pain of a reminiscence of good times, of happy moments, of love, once bending together in unison, like that toothbrush, now lonely, incompatible, but still there, as if to remind me of a presence I needed once. So this was about time leading.
Ma'am, just a moment. Just sorry to break that.
No, that's
Break
okay.
your flow. But the thing is that I would really advise everyone to just, whenever Shell ma'am is speaking, just close your eyes and listen to what she's saying. Like, you would actually, travel to that time zone where she wrote the piece. So I did that, and it was like I could feel her emotions being attached to her beautiful, her old house, and how she was not ready to leave it. So like so I would just, it's again a suggestion. If you could try closing your eyes and listening to her. It's really beautiful. I'm sorry for breaking your flow, ma'am. Please
No,
go.
lovely, lovely. You're encouraging, so there's no break at all. Okay, the next one is called Pray Tell Me What Are You? Fooling my senses into believing all is well. Fooling my senses into believing all is well. Prodding my worn out heart into wishing the hurting past was an April Fool's joke. Prodding my worn out heart into wishing the hurting past was an April Fool's joke. Wishing for a dream to come out true, being steeped in ambiguous reality. Living my life like there was no tomorrow, loving you like eternity. Living my life like there was no tomorrow, loving you like eternity. I am a fool, a dream unrealized, a joke unveiled. I am a fool, a dream unrealized, a joke unveiled. Pray tell me, what are you? Okay. Uh, this was the other poem.
It was so good. Like,
Thank
it
you.
was really, really good.
It's
Okay.
really beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Uh, I have just two more short ones so that I don't eat away into your time and into your, emotions. And it's like, what is she
Ma'am, eat
reading?
away all you like.
Okay, just a sec. I usually have them all ready. I have this on my phone. And okay, this is
Hap-
called Wings. Yeah. Go away, hurt, dust, demise of hope. Go away, hurt, dust, demise of hope. I want to believe in a better life. A life sans the clutter of unwarranted thoughts, of household chores, of food to be warmed up, served, of dusty rooms, of locked up interiors, of words wrapped up in silhouettes of loneliness, of words wrapped up in silhouettes of loneliness. Let me be. Let go of me, disdain, so that I can swing again in dreamy contours of flowing ink that plant wings to my thoughts and create a new world once again. I create a new world once again of laughter, love, and writing. Yeah, that's it.
Very good, ma'am. And जैसे कहते हैं ना,
Beautiful.
full-fledged package. Like, you have the content, you have the body language, everything is so good. And
Thank
I
you.
am so inspired by you, ma'am.
Thank you.
It's lovely.
Thank you. Thank you.
Also, to all the performers out here, we have a content submission form for you to have a chance to be on our page, and we would love to have your content. And I would like Benita to share the link in the chat box, and we'll also be sharing the link in the community group. And I guess a couple of you are not in the community group. We'll add you. You are in the events group but not in the community group. We'll also drop the link here, so you may be there. We all spread love and support in that group. All right. So thank you so much, ma'am. Is there anyone who wants to say anything to ma'am? Like it was really good.
Thank you.
Yes, it was mesmerizing. I
Thank
want to
you.
say, ma'am, in
Yes.
the first poem where you use the simile from wild cover and the snake skin, it was really beautiful. I loved that simile.
Thank
It
you.
was really beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Even ma'am, I loved
Lord,
your wings a lot. It was very beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you.
beautiful expressions.
Thank you, Sushma. Thank
And
you.
as I
The
say
words
that
are really not common,
I'm
ma'am.
always
The
rock.
words are beautiful.
Thank you, Ikra. Thank
thank you so much,
You
everyone.
always rock.
you. Thank you. Thank you. We always rock. All of us rock. All of us rock.
Thank you so much, ma'am, and everybody else for your kind words.